I get that ooh, baby.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys enjoyed this morning skincare routine. I'm starting off with my steamer. I'm trying to make sure my pores is open. Of course, you gotta subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna start using my Farmacy Whipped Greens oil-free facial cleanser. It's very creamy. I love to use this in the morning. I like to wash my face 2 times a day and 2 times a night. It's very creamy, it's hydrating, it's very foamy. So I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna start off with wash my face. I'm gonna start off with 1 wash. After I finish rinsing, I'm gonna do another wash, okay? So right now I'm lathering another layer to wash my face, y'all. I really love this facial cleanser. I have 2 of these Farmacy facial cleansers. Oil free, is very good for all skin type, mainly for oily skin. It's foamy, as you can see right now. I'm making sure I'm cleaning my neck, my forehead. It's very soft. It's also a clean, vegan, organic brand. I have papaya and moringa, so it gently cleanses and exfoliates the skin. Don't you see how beautiful and radiant my skin look? Oh my gosh, this steamer is the bomb. I like to get myself a facial once in a while. You know, I want to make sure my pores is all cleaned out. You know, I gotta do a little face mask in between in there. So yeah, I really love getting myself a nice facials in the morning. So yeah, enjoy. So right now I'm gonna use my Deep Sweep Pore toner to remove all the dead skin out of my skin, to help close my pores. Right now I'm using my cotton. I'm gonna pour some on there. I love this Farmacy Pore toner because it does exfoliate your skin. It's 2% BHA in the product. It helps smooth out your texture, even out your skin tone. If you have a lot of pigmentation, it helps even out your tone as well. As you guys can see, I had a little pigmentation on my cheeks. It's lightening it up just by, you know, being very consistent with my skincare routine. And I really like that it really deeply cleanse my pores, as you guys can see my face, you know. So I like to do this once in a while, mainly like, you know, in the daytime, but I want to do it in the morning because I really feel like my pores need to really be cleaned out. So yeah, you see my skin looking all radiant. Try this out, guys. Like, make sure you guys use the toner in between here and there. If you're more dry, just try not to use too much toner, use more of an essence. But yeah, I like to do this while my steamer is on, so I can make sure everything's all cleaned out in my pores. And using my Honey Potion Plus mask from Farmacy. It's a very deep, hydrating honey mask, very thick. It's very good for people that's very dry, normal to dry, but mainly more dry skin. I like to use my little Tatcha mask stick to apply the face mask on my face. I put on the areas that I'm very dry. I have really oily skin, but lately my skin been very dry, so I like to apply this mask like once or twice a week. I like to leave it on for like 15 minutes. It's very thick. Like, it really feels like real honey. It's because it's very hydrating. Leave it on for like 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna rinse it off with warm water. And yeah, I'm just gonna enjoy this thing, guys. Now I'm going to use my vitamin C vitamin C eye cream from Glow Recipe. It have guava in it. This is the new eye cream that came out from Glow Recipe. It's a Korean brand. It helps brighten under your eyes. It helps with puffiness, dark circles, smooth out your fine line and wrinkles. It's very brightening. So this eye cream is very good. And now I'm going to use my Farmacy Feeling Good Hyaluronic Acid Plumping Serum. I like to use this every day, every morning, because I like to make my skin nice and firm. So it helps firm your skin. It plumps your skin as well. Makes you look very hydrated, very glowy, because it does have the honey in there to help hydrate the skin. And now I'm going to use the Glow Recipe Hyaluronic Acid Plum Cream. So I like to use this cream daily, day and night, but mainly daily. I like to hydrate, like my skin I like to hydrate it every morning, of course. And then this cream make my skin very smooth and radiant. So, you know, gotta put that on. It's very like gel-like, so it reminds me of like a gel cream. So it's not as thick as the other hydrating cream that I usually wear, but I just like to use this because it's mainly good for like oily skin, all skin types. But it's a very, very good hydrating cream, which I really, really love. And yeah, that's my skincare routine. Now I'm gonna use my new Kosas eyebrow serum. I feel like this is a serum in a gel because it does hold your eyebrows, but I like to leave my eyebrows in place. And I'm gonna use my Patrick Tub Plumping Lip Gloss. It does tingle a little bit, y'all. It burns a little bit, but it doesn't burn as bad as the Too Faced lip injection. But this one is really well. Hydrate, plumps my lips. I like how it makes my lips very glossy. So beautiful. And yeah, now I'm gonna finish off with my Victoria's Secret warm vanilla sugar smell body spray. You know, I gotta smell good for the daytime, you know, for my day. Just make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. See you guys.